Universal turning in the entry-level market from DMG MORI, that is, of course, something I want to take a closer look at, which is why I'm here today at FAMET, one of DMG MORI's largest plants. Well, I'm really excited, so I'm gonna head in right away. Hey Max.
Davina, good to see you.
Nice to see you. This is exciting. DMG MORI is venturing into the entry-level market for universal turning. What can we expect?
Well, we want to set a new benchmark for this class, giving our clients a decisive advantage in this challenging segment.
So, did you build a new machine for us?
Even better, 2 new machines with 3 different configurations each. But you know what? Let me just show you.
Show me.
Here's our T1.
Wow.
And our T2.
Nice.
We really believe those will set the new standard for the entry-level market.
So when you were developing the T1 and the T2, what were your goals?
Well, we wanted to offer our customers a universal lathe at an attractive price without compromising on our proven DMG MORI quality and reliability.
Mm-hmm. And do you feel like you achieved those goals?
I sure hope so. We packed some really nice features into this one.
For example?
We have a direct measuring system on the X-axis, a very powerful spindle, a SINUMERIK ONE control panel with a 15-inch touchscreen. Also, the whole thing is very rigid due to a robust bed and a compact footprint of just about 4.5 meters squared.
Wow, that is pretty impressive for a machine in this price range. Max, if I'm interested, where can I find these machines? Where can I buy them?
Our web shop, of course. Here you can go through our online configurator, see the machine that suits you best, compare the 3 different variants, and with a few clicks, get a quote.
That sounds easy. And when will the T1 and the T2 be available?
Well, that's the beautiful part. They can be ordered right now.
Thank you so much, Max. This was so informative. If you are interested in the T1 or the T2, you can check out the link below to our website. Thank you so much for being with us today, and we hope to see you again next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.